Language, our culture, we will be forgotten and the nation will be lost. Last time I left the Yili, didn't realize that was the last time because we have lots of planning. Take the kids for every year and teaching them our culture and our language, but we didn't know that the last time.
Bir bahçede kızıl sırık ak.
We used to read 15 oil books, but now my mom raised it to 20 oil books. And by the end of each month, she buys us a present if we read 20 English books and 20 oil books.
Kalktı top kiyan ustunuzga, kalktı Mike kiyan ustunuzga.
I always try to speak Uyghur language with them and daddy also. Every weekend, once a week, and they have a Uyghur lesson online. I was the first person to open Uyghur restaurant in London because of I wanted to introduce our Uyghur culture and Uyghur food and who we are. People never know, but these 2-3 years and lots of people because of the news, because of everything, and they getting now the Uyghur. In my hometown, all the ladies is gathering once a month. This one is called chai. So here that we continue keep up this ladies gathering and we meet each other and eating Uyghur food together and dancing. That's a little bit feeling our from hometown.
Whenever I hear our music, you always want to dance. This is like something very nostalgic and I think patriotic. Yeah, so our music and dance is a very big part of our culture. We try to bring our children to keep our culture alive, to pass it to them so they can see how we do it, so they will do it then in their due time.
Maybe that's because of I opened a restaurant because they're also proud of Uyghur food. One day my big daughters came to told me, and mommy, and today at school I told them I am Uyghur. I was very happy inside and proud.